Hey guys, Becki-licious here. These are the most addictive appetizers I have ever made. Crispy bacon, melted cheese, spicy jalapeno, and they're out of the oven in 30 minutes. I hope you stick around to see my version of bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers. All right, first step for these jalapeno poppers, we got to deal with our jalapenos. So I'm just going to cut the tops off, and then we are going to get the insides out because I want these things completely hollowed. All right, so I'm just using the end of a spoon. I didn't want to use a paring knife because I didn't want it to go through my jalapeno shell at all because I want the jalapeno completely intact. So I'm just going to kind of very gently go through and get this done. Ready? And there you go. I think I'm going to keep these seeds in there because that's where you get the heat. The next step for these jalapeno poppers is we need to get the insides ready. Most people use cream cheese, some shredded Colby or cheese or whatever to go with it. I like to be different. I'm going to block up some pepper jack cheese and just shove little sticks of pepper jack cheese in the center. So easy peasy. All right, now we're just going to each one of these jalapenos obviously is a little bit different, so I'm going to adjust accordingly so that the cheese isn't just sticking out the top. But look at that. Oh, all that yumminess is going to go in the jalapeno. It's going to be good. All right, so I'm going to toothpick the tops of these because I want that cheese to just kind of stay in there. Not an easy task, but we can make it happen. So I'm going to put 2 toothpicks on each side just to kind of help, like I said, keep that in place. And then it's going to be time to wrap these puppies in bacon. All right, let's wrap these in bacon. And oh my goodness, these look like these are going to be little fatties. And I'm just going to lay the bacon side where the flap is at. I'm going to lay that down on the bottom of the baking sheet. These are almost ready to go in the oven. These bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers are going in a 400-degree oven, probably about 30 minutes. So, nice and hot in there. Catch you back in just a bit. All right, our jalapeno poppers have been in the oven for 30 minutes, and they are ready. Look at that cheese oozing out. All right, now we get to plate up. Our bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers are done. Look at how amazing they look. The bacon smells amazing. Bacon smells absolutely amazing. Gotta love it. So there we go. Another fun adventure in the kitchen today. I hope you guys had fun because I know I did, and I really appreciate you guys joining me, and I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye. Cheers. If you like this video, click on this one.